I'm Donna, and I've got a little online business making junk journals. A big part of my job is coming up with new ideas and making tutorial videos for you to follow along. What I've made to share with you today is a set of clear tag templates. Simply pop the template over your paper, move, and place wherever your tag looks best. Then trace or cut using the edge of the template like a ruler. Now stamp, fussy cut the tag however you like. My simple clear templates make it easy to cut and create tags that are always the right shape. There's 4 sizes in the set, so you can easily see what size fits your scrap pieces. Pop a hole reinforcement on top and you're done. Tags are the perfect setting for creating little works of art for your junk journal, gifts, food labels, or just to give items a description. These are available in my shop right now. The first 50 will get the early bird price, and the first 20 of those 50 I'm going to also pop in a little sample pack of these hole reinforcements. Now I'm also going to do a giveaway. There's a chance for you to win a set of these 4 clear tag templates. It starts today and it'll end on Friday, September 30th at 2 p.m. and that is in Sydney, Australia time. You have to be subscribed to the channel and leave a comment below. This is probably one of the easiest giveaways that I've done to date. Now please make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel, because otherwise I can't tell whether or not you are actually subscribed. If I can't see you, I can't pick you as a winner. Not only have I got a giveaway for you, if you pop on over to Tracie Fox's channel, she's also doing a giveaway, so you'll have a chance to win a set of these as well. And she's done a demo, and she's not only used these blocks for cutting, but she's used them as a stamp block. She's used them for wet inking, and Tracie, you've blown my mind. Thank you so much, girlfriend. You are fabulous. You are just a paper genius. Thanks again, and come on everyone, get over there and support Tracie Fox. If you want to check out my other video on how I've decorated my tags, go watch this video next. The links are in the description box below, and I'll see you over on this other video. And if anybody needs me, I'll be making tags. Ciao for now.